do this in 2025 and you will be able to see the way you create impact on people by improving your communication skills. Most of the time, you see, whenever you need to communicate in your meetings or whenever you need to give your presentation, you always face difficulties, and those difficulties are nothing but you have fear in your mind, you also have hesitation, you feel nervous about it, and because of all of these things, you also realize and experience that you have your low self-confidence when it comes to effective communication. Focus on understanding one very important thing that you need to focus on when it comes to improving your communication skills in this year of 2025. Most of the time, what happens? You always carry the negative image in your mindset, and because of that, you feel that you are not a confident speaker. Now, let's understand one important thing. If you carry the feeling of confidence, you will be able to communicate effectively. But instead of that, if you carry the feeling of nervousness, you will be able to feel nervous whenever it comes to your communication. So today onwards, make sure that you practice one important thing. And that important thing is nothing but imagine that you are a confident speaker. Imagine that you have that level of confidence when it comes to your self-image. And that can be reflected in your meetings, communicating with your clients, as well as giving a world-class presentation. Whatever you visualize, whatever you keep thinking in your mindset, that really creates that positive impact, and this automatically gets radiated whenever you communicate with people. Next time, whenever you will try to communicate or put your points in your meetings, always remember that you should be able to feel confident about yourself first. In the entire year of 2025, focus on your feelings and emotions, which you need to make yourself an excellent communicator. And then you will see that this itself is necessary to bring that level of confidence, your self-image, the way you communicate with people. If you focus on creating your positive impact on your friends and family members, on your colleagues in your office, as well as your senior management, you will be automatically noticed by them, and this itself will give you your next promotion. And that's why you need to focus on this essential thing to make sure that you become an impactful communicator in the year of 2025. If you take care of your feelings and emotions, considering yourself a confident communicator, every time you speak in your meetings or every time you deliver a presentation, you will definitely build this habit of feeling confident while talking with people. Make sure that you share this with your friends and family members, those who need it, and you subscribe the channel as well.